packet of clove here. Sorry, I'm always saying clove. 4 packets of hibiscus tea, and also have 4 packets of cloves. So just call it 4. I have four packets from each. So, and now as I finish unboxing the clove, I'm going to as well unbox another thing with you, which is this you are seeing here. Lives too in Dutchland. Yeah, it's living in Dutchland. It's living in Dutchland mission. So this is another thing I want to unbox with you. Unbox with me. Take other space. So this is actually a multi-function emergency radio. Okay, this function emergency radio is very good when you are going to, maybe you are traveling to a country where the light is not suitable, they don't have steady light. You can as well get this particular product to travel with. Look at it. Wow, this is beautiful. Do you know this particular multi-function product here is amazing, because you're going to use it for everything. It has a lot of things to work, not only radio. And this is like the socket we are going to use to plug it. Okay, so it came in something like this. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So I'm going to explain to you how you're going to use this now. It's just like this. It just look like a portable and wonderful radio. It has a lot of functions. So maybe you have you are traveling in a country or in anywhere, or you're doing a camping where there is no light. You need something like this. It has touch, it has fluorescent light, it has radio, it has where you can plug your phone, that is your handies. Yeah, it has where you're going to plug it, maybe it. And the best thing, the most important thing I love about this is you cannot only charge it with electric light or with light. You can charge it with solar. You can as well charge it with the hand, not manual charging. I'm going to be showing you the functions right away. Like this you see here, they made it in a way that you can wind it by charging. This is when where you travel is you don't have light, you don't have sun, that is, you don't have solar, you don't have also light. You can as well wind it with your hand to get it charged. This is very beautiful because you can even use it to do your hand exercise. You see it? You can wind it and it will get charged. So if you cannot charge it this way, you can as well bring it outside, like sunlight will charge it for you, because it has the pallet here. Has a solar pallet that will be attracting the sun to charge it. And as well, you can as well charge it with electric. Yeah, electric, you can as well plug it and charge it. So this is so beautiful. You can as well use it to listen to your radio. Why I love this very well is you are going to, wherever you are, any country you are, the antenna is going to get connected and get you the radio of that particular country. You're going to listen to the news, whatever, and play some music. This is so awesome, guys. I saw it. I got it for a purpose, guys. Actually, I'm not going to use it actually here, but I can use it to play some radio when I just want to. Okay, this is so beautiful. So there are a lot of functions which I might not even mention here. So if you like it, just get it. It's not costly, just like 70 euro or 80 euro. It's so beautiful. Look at it. It's so beautiful. So look as if you can get it. I can also add their link below after this live stream so that you can